Hello everyone. Today let's learn how to create a basic app in Code.org. So if you are new to this app creation, maybe this video will help you out on and you will get an idea on how the basic app is created. Okay. Now let's start with four important steps of app creation. First is defining the purpose of the app, the goal of the app, why we need to create the app. Okay. Next, designing the app. How we go ahead with the design elements in the app and how we use the commands or the instructions to code the app and running the app and see if the app is working or not. So, our app purpose is when the button is pressed, the color of the screen must be changed to blue color. That is the overall goal of our app. Okay, let's begin and get into the browser. Okay, let's see, let's go ahead into the code.org. Okay, you just open your Chrome and click on code.org. You can directly create an account or you can use your existing account or you can create a new account in order to log in into code.org. Okay, now I had already signed in, so I'm showing you by signing out. Okay, so now code.org. Once you get into code.org, this is the home page. Here I'm signing in with my username is the dummy email ID that we can give, and the password, and I am signing in here. Okay, here, what I want to create is the first basic app. So I will go to the app lab where we can create our basic app. What is the purpose of our app? It is when the button or the switch is pressed, the color of the screen must be changed to blue color. You can imagine your app as the music app or the games app or from Play Store. Whatever you download from your parents' mobile, it is somewhat all those are called apps. Okay, so our app purpose is when the button is pressed, the color of the screen must be changed to blue color. So this is the basic app. So here, as soon as we see this screen, we will get to know that this is the screen. This is somewhat similar to the mobile. Okay, mobile simulator. This is the design toolbox where we are having functions, various functions and events. This is the workspace where we write the code. So first let's do the design of this template. Okay, it is a theme like how the app looks like. Okay, so we need a button for this. The properties of button would be ID is the button and the text. You can write any text. I am writing here click me. Okay, click the button. Okay, next width. You can change the width to how much ever you want. The width of the button or the you can call it as a switch also. It's 50 and here X position is the dimension left and towards the right. You can change it how much ever you want and Y is the vertical position and the background color everything. Now these are all the various properties which you can do like trial and error. Okay, now let's see these are the properties and these are the events. On click is the event. Okay, now what I'll do is our design part is over right now. We want a button. As soon as we click on the button, the screen background must change. That is our overall intention. Okay, now let's go to the coding part. So here out of the four steps, first step we got to know, second step designing is over, then coding part. See, there are two types of coding. Okay, one is block based coding and text based coding. Block and text based coding. So what exactly is coding? Coding is nothing but the commands or the instructions that we are giving to the computer. Okay, and the two types are block based coding and text based coding. So what exactly is block based coding? Here the commands or the instructions that are given to the computer already exist in the blocks. So what we need to do, we need to just drag and drop it. Okay, see, we directly need to drag and drop it into our workspace. So that is block based coding. What is text based coding? Text based coding is we need to type in the commands like how professional programmers do, right? We need to type in the programs. So first let's understand how the block based programming works. That is what I'm showing here. Okay, I'm here, this is on event is a function, inbuilt function. Okay, so these are the drop down buttons. I can directly click. I need a button right here. I need the button functionality, click functionality, and the what the button needs to do here. Do this function means do this. Set property means change. So here I will change the screen to the background color blue. That whatever I need is blue color here. So this is block based coding. You are directly dragging and dropping from the design toolbox to the workspace. Okay, so let me see whether this will run. See here, these arrows are called the drop down boxes, drop down list, and on event is the function. Set property is also a function. In English language, when we say, like when you switch on the switch, we say like that. Similar to that, on event means when you click on the button, do this functionality. When you click on the button, do this functionality. What is that functionality? Changing the screen to the background color blue. That is the functionality. So let me run this, okay, and see if it is working. Okay, I will run this. Click me. Yeah, see, excellent. It changed the black background color to blue color. Got it right? This is the block coding part. Okay, hope you covered these all the four steps, but we need to yet to cover the text based coding. Okay, so for that, what I will do, first I will delete all these things, all the blocks. Then I will go to the text part. Okay, what I will do in the text part, I will type in the code. Okay, I will type in the command. So what here I am getting the command before I typed. Okay, that part is called autocomplete. I am getting the command before I typed itself. I started getting the command. So that functionality is known as autocomplete. So we are typing in the command here. So this is text based coding. So here I am typing the function. If there is any error, I'll get red mark. Otherwise, I'll get yellow colored arrow. Yellow colored arrow means it is a warning. Okay. Now what I will do is I will get into it. I will set the property. Set the property of that screen. Screen to the background color blue. Okay. So I will open the inverted comma. Use this autocomplete directly because I am getting it by default through the autocomplete option, and even blue I am getting. I will end each statement with a semicolon and I will close that. Here I'll close the parenthesis. So now our code is ready. This is the text based coding. What I will do is I will run this app. Click. See again the blue color I got it. Excellent, right? So block based coding is comparatively easy. Text based coding we will get to know by practice. You can use any of the function here and try your own methods and try your own codes, and you can keep on building your apps. Okay, it's very easy, and all these are like you will get to know by practice, and you can just do text based coding like professional programmers and build your own apps. As much as you practice, you will get to know all these things. So right now all the four steps are complete. If you liked my video, please share your comments and also please share the video. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Bye.